Hi guys, we have here the BestSalon salon chair. This is the big box that it comes in like this. As you can see, it's pretty small, so you will have to set it up compared to other salon chairs on the market. So let's go ahead and give you guys a closer look. Let's go ahead and open up this baby here for you guys. For those who are looking to purchase a salon chair for at-home use or salon. So let's open this up here. Show you all the parts. So as you can see here, there's a lot of setting up to do. In that box, you have the pump there. You have the handles. Here's the backrest. So let me go ahead and pull each part out for you guys, so you guys can see. So you got the handles here. So it does come with tools to use and the nuts and everything, but I would recommend probably getting a bit stronger tool so you can really tighten these chairs. This is it will tighten them, but you also want to make sure this chair is nice and tight so it will last many years. It does come with a limited warranty of 1 year for the pump. So there's one of the hands. There's the second one. So that is the chair itself. That's the backrest. Under this, you have the bottom portion of the chair. Flip that over. So pretty decent. A lot of people always ask about quality of the chair. Guys, you have to remember, this is a cheap chair. So if you're getting started at your own salon or barber shop, or you just need a chair for something, that kind of pump, this is a great quality product. Don't expect to have a luxury salon type of product for about $100. This does the job, especially for at-home salons trying to get started, students out there on the market. Would I recommend building a expensive salon with this? No, there's a bit higher quality products that you could probably buy for maybe $200–300. That probably will last you a bit longer. This is great for short term. There's the base. There's the footrest, as you can see here. Let me go ahead and open up the pump for you guys. So as you can see, open this up, but nonetheless, still great quality. You cannot beat this price. Right to your door. So if you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel as well. Let me go ahead and show you guys the pump itself. So it comes like that. Got that portion. Pump that up. Remove the styrofoam here. And there you have the pump. Let me pull that out of the box for you guys. So there you have the pump. As you can see, it's pretty heavy. Decent quality, not bad. But nonetheless, so you just put that footrest in there. That's what those two holes are for. Those holes right there. Just put the footrest in there nicely. And you want to always be careful with the pump. Nonetheless, it's a great quality tool. So if you're interested in purchasing this, there's the unboxing of this product. It will involve a bit of setup, so if you're not too familiar with setting up, maybe you might have to look for a different product or have someone on hand that will help you put this together. There's a few other companies out there that you might be able to buy, like not the whole thing completely set up, but most, at least the pump portion and the base just comes with just two portions to kind of attach together. I mean, generally, unless you you buy it locally from a local supplier, and you probably can get it all set up. But generally from Amazon, they come all, you have to set them up to a certain amount. So I do recommend this chair. Great startup. It's exactly what you see online. Great quality. Nonetheless, will last you a few years. You have to maintain these properly. If you don't use it that much, it can last you a long time. I mean, this isn't, I don't know if it's meant for salon use 10 years or plus, but nonetheless, you know, using clients day in and day out, that might put a wear and tear on this product. But no question about it, it's a great start. Especially I hear students a lot of times, they're, you know, low on money. This is great. Get you started, get your clientele going, and once you get it going, you can improve on a chair, get it more comfortable, more bigger chair, more sturdier. So nonetheless, great quality product. If you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.